posted this clip of him on Instagram, and after 3 days of having it up, it got over 41 million views. Everyone was commenting they wanted to see him get his car painted. Everybody clearly loved him right away. It's pretty crazy how just from a 30-second clip of somebody, you can tell when they're a good person, a deserving person. It was pretty obvious we found the right guy. In real life too, he didn't even ask to see any videos of cars I've done, any photos of other work I've done. He really just trusted me right away. It also seemed like the whole reason he got the car in the first place was to eventually paint it. He just didn't because he had some health problems, so the car's just been sitting there rusting away. I thought it'd be a good idea to go back to his house and meet up with him and just talk to him and see what kind of ideas he had for the car and see what he even wanted it to look like.